In this video, I'm going to show you how to chat with your PDF using Microsoft Copilot. So assuming I'm on my Microsoft Copilot over here, logged in, I can just add in the document that I want to chat with, my PDF document. I can click on this plus sign, go to upload, and I can see this PDF. I can just click and bring it in. So I can just go ahead and type in the prompt. Can you give me a summary of this document and 3 major takeaways from it? So once I hit on enter, you'll be surprised and amazed at what this is going to bring out. So this is there's a concise summary of this document on urban flood management in Nigeria. Take a look and look at the summary. And then 3 major takeaways from here. Look at the takeaways. Can you see the anthropogenic factors drive flood risks? Mitigation efforts are fragmented and underdeveloped. And you can see very detailed and so on. And you can ask further questions also regarding this very document. Can you explain figure 1 in the document? And let's see whether it is going to do that as well. So sure, figure 1 in the document illustrate flood adaptation actions, and you can see the details of it. This is it. This is the explanation about figure 1. Everything is explained, the key insights and all the details that you need to understand that particular figure 1 that is in that document. So you can ask follow-up questions and ask as many questions as you want, but it is very easy and free to interact with your PDF document with any number of PDF documents within Microsoft Copilot. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.